We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva, and today's video is going to be over my PM skincare routine. I have been buying up a bunch of different products, and so I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys what my skincare routine is now, and also kind of do a mini review on all of the items that I've purchased that I will be using in my PM skincare routine. So if you're interested in my PM skincare routine, please keep watching. All right, you guys, I'm back and ready to show you my skincare routine. Just to help myself out and to show you guys more of the process, I put some hot water in a bowl. The first part of my cleansing process, because I do a double cleanse, I'm using the Pro-Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. Seems like a greasy mess, but it's really not. It's a balm, and it actually is very smooth, and I just love the way it glides over my face, and it just attacks my makeup. So yeah, I'll go ahead and start with this, and I'm generous with mine because I again bought this through QVC, and they will be sending me one of these out along with another product every 3 months. I get about that much, you guys, and I kind of do like a dollop everywhere, even my neck. I get it all over my eyes. Now, they don't suggest that you put this on your eyes, but to me it cleanses all of my eye makeup off just as quickly. And this may look like I am scrubbing, but I'm really not, because this is really gliding, making my fingers glide over my face. And I just make sure that I get my mascara. So I'm going to use this towel, and normally I don't do this. Normally I go straight for the water and rinse my face. Okay, so that is my first cleanse, and like I said, usually I would be at the sink and I would be rinsing my face, but it usually kind of feels this way, so I could actually use a towel and do that portion. The next part of my cleanse, I use Tatcha Rice Polish, and mine is in Classic, and Classic is for normal to dry skin. And you guys, this is like an exfoliation. This is going to be a powder, and you kind of just pour it into your hand. So you get a good amount of powder. On the spout, I really like this, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's open, and then you can close it. So I really like that, just so humidity doesn't get into there. And then what you do next is you get some water. So I'm going to take some of this warm water from this bowl, and you put it with it. Okay, so you just put it on and just start cleansing. Okay, so now I'm back, and the next step that I usually do, well, I have been doing every night, and this is the Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. Usually I use my Shiseido cotton swabs wipes, cotton wipes. And what I normally do is I put a few sprays on the cotton and then I spray my face. Because I always have so much makeup in my hairline, that's the last thing that I wipe because it will be full of makeup. And just get that toner all in there. And as you can see, I don't know if you can, but there's really nothing left to my cotton. And then I get my hairline, and girl, that's where all the makeup is at. It's not that bad, but there's still makeup on there. Okay, and that was everything. My next step is to use the Tatcha essence. You guys, I actually love this stuff. It is amazing. When I say it plumps up my skin, it plumps up my skin, and I have noticed a difference, especially underneath my eyes. That's where I've noticed the majority of my skin difference. It comes with a little spout on it, and you just pour it into your hand. You don't need that much, so that was actually good enough. What I do is take these two fingers right here, and this is what I mostly apply this with underneath my eyes. So I, like a lot of people, pat this in their hands and then they tap it on their face. But what I do is I saturate these two fingers, and then I press it underneath my eyes. I'm not pulling at it or anything like that. I'm just pressing it in because I want the essence to really get into that area. So that's usually what I do. And then I take a little bit and I put it on my scar right here and on my neck. And then the rest I pat into my face. And to me, you guys, I really can tell a difference. I really can. And if you are looking at my face, you will be able to tell the difference between when I first started, which I wish I would have taken a picture of my skin when I first started before I actually started putting my skincare stuff on, but whatever. I feel like at the end you will see a hydrated glow. The next step that I use is my beloved Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Fusion PM. This has a retinol percentage of 1.5. This is technically the only retinol that I've used. I used one from Amazon. I didn't really see a difference in using just this by itself or with the other one. So I continue to use these the same way. So I take the retinol and then I put it on my scar because I feel like it is helping me with the discoloration of my scar. And then I take the rest and I just press it into my skin. Just in case I didn't mention, you guys, all of these items that I'm playing with every night, I bought from QVC. I love shopping on QVC, you guys. I used to be that young person. I would catch QVC on and all I would hear were older people on there, and I was like, look at them taking those old people's money like that. Why are they doing that? And here I am with my old, yes, giving them all my money. The next thing that I have is, this is from Elemis, and this is their Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil. So I use this on my face. I don't necessarily know exactly what this is for. I just know it's for night. So I usually just take like one pump and I pat that in mostly to my cheek and T-zone area. And whenever I do anything, I always put it on my neck. Alright, and kind of my hands too. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to put on is this Peter Thomas Roth. This is the 100% squalene oil, and this is in my panning video. And you guys, I'm really trying to get rid of this, so this is the only reason why I put this in here into my nighttime routine, was so that I could get rid of this. Not that it's not a good product, but it lasts forever. Okay, so all I do is like one drop of that, and I kind of tap it in underneath my eyes. That's it. The next thing that I put on is my neck cream from Tatcha. This is the Ageless Revitalizing Neck Cream. And this stuff is so rich. The reason I'm not putting my eye cream on right now is because I just put that oil on and I want it to sink into my skin before I go in with my eye cream. So I'm gonna start next with my neck cream. I just get a good dollop of it and just put it all on there. Usually I bring this down, you guys, to my chest area, but I have on clothes, so I can't do all that. But I always put everything on my scar, and I always make sure that I get the back of my neck and my hands. And then next I'm going in with the Tatcha Ageless Revitalizing Eye Cream. Okay, the eye cream looks like this, and I take a good amount and put that on both sides. With this eye cream, they stressed that you can put it on the full eye. You can put it on your orbital bone, whatever that is, and then you can also put it on your lid. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I don't know if this cream is supposed to be doing this, but I always feel like it gives my eyes some light or some lift or some brightness. That's what it is. I know some people are going to be like, girl, you're supposed to be doing that. You know, I can't. My last item that I will be putting on is the most expensive face cream I have ever used before in my life. This is the Ageless Enriching Renewal Cream. And you guys, this stuff is the truth. I've used quite a bit of it. It has like a slightly pink color to it. I've been using a good amount of this, and the reason that I have is because I'm gonna be getting it, I think, every 3 months, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, I think it's every 3 months I'll be getting this. So I just use however much I feel like. Okay, and then usually I have like a lip balm or something like that, but I forgot to bring the lip balm in here. It's right next to my bed, so. But yes, you guys, look at my skin. I am so in love with this skincare routine. I feel like this is the best skincare routine I've ever had, and I've been very consistent with this skincare routine, and I have seen a lot of good results, especially in this area, you guys. It's almost like when I put my makeup on and I add my powders, it looks like my under eyes have been airbrushed in person. It is because of, I believe, this right here, plus the eye cream. But it is also because of the combination that I'm using right now, which is the It Cosmetics pour something that I forget the name of it, but that powder, and the one from Fenty, that powder as well. I've been mixing those, and I've just been loving what has been happening on my face. And but anyways, enough about makeup. We're talking about skincare. I am going to make another video along with this one. I'm gonna make like 2 more videos. I'm gonna have a AM skincare routine, and also I'm going to make another video talking about other packages that QVC has going on right now, because it's amazing, and I want you guys to get some good deals. These products are very expensive if you're going to be buying them individually. Oh my god, oh my goodness, you guys, no, don't do that. Don't do that unless you got that money. Then hey girl, hey, get on out there and do your thing. But if you want deals, hey, I'm here for you. So I'm gonna come back and do another video talking about that, and talking about all the package deals that I got from QVC, and if they're still available. All right, that's it, you guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this video enough to click the like, and also click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Yeah, until next time, you guys. Bye.
I'll be right beside you.